Hi, welcome to the third video in this course, An Introduction to the Circular Economy. Today I want to look at the definition of the circular economy, and this comes from the Ellen MacArthur Foundation's report on Wales, and I like it. It's extensive and it covers many of the aspects that the circular economy relies on. I'm going to pull out a few key points about the definition, which help, I think, build a robust model, and certainly gives us some pointers to where we should be looking for innovation. The circular economy is an industrial economy that is restorative by design, where waste equals food and distinct flows are either in biological or technical. Capital assets are maintained and rebuilt. The purer the flows, the higher the quality, the more value is retained by the economy. You can see here that there's two parts. There's the design side of the circular economy and there's the business model part of the circular economy. And I think it's this that has really made it the incredible story that it is today. As it emerges, people can build business models and they can see a way of designing products to go into those business models and vice versa. I'd like to now look at the principles of the circular economy. Design out waste, build resilience through diversity, use energy from renewable sources, and think in systems. Design out waste, I will go into more detail in the design thinking video later on, but waste is a lost opportunity in our economy, so we should be looking at ways of designing it out of the system altogether. Build resilience through diversity. I've touched on this in the first video, the idea that diversity leads to resilience in a natural system. And I suppose in the linear economy we've had a push for maximisation and efficiency, which has led us to, I suppose, in the classic example of monocultures, which are fragile and very open, susceptible to attack. So what we need to do is find an optimal state between resilience and efficiency. Use energy from renewable sources. The initial modelling of the circular economy quickly showed that by keeping resources within the economy for longer, and that model allowing resources to be remanufactured, reduced the energy load per unit across the economy. So with that reduction in the energy requirement of the economy, it's much more conceivable to move to a renewable distributed grid system. Think in systems. Again, I touched on this in the last video with schools of thought, especially the biomimicry idea that we look at biology as the system, and that's a dynamic, feedback-rich system that really allows for things like resilience and abundance to come out of it. I think the other key is that with thinking in systems, we get to see the parts that make up the whole, and then we get to view the whole as well. And there's different parts of that system where we want to operate either efficiencies or resilience. I hope now we're getting to grips with the circular economy. I hope this is helping. I look forward to the next video where we dive into the diagram of the circular economy and start to unlock some of those business models. I hope you can join me, and thank you very much for watching.